I think I'm just gonna have to drag you with us.
Yeah, because that would be cool. I just see it go blink.
Hammer! Alright, come on, let's go. Faster's better. I swear to God, if you trip and make another JP moment, I'm gonna kick your ass. JP? JP.
Oh, just JP. I was like, where's JP?
No. Does that have a blister on it?
Don't worry, you got an invisible sub man.
He's a bushwookie. Alright, let's go regroup with the others. Come on. We gotta go with their squad. What is that? Is that yours?
Nope.
Oh, that's mine. It's my sniper mag.
What the hell are you doing with the sniper mag?
For my sniper. Left.
You ain't got no.
Gotta stay with our squad. Fuck that branch.
Hello,
Hammer
friend.
just stayed back.
I bring him behind the building.
Definitely switching to the baseball hat after this. Yes.
I only use a helmet for my camera. So what do you think? Assault the village? Take what's finally ours? Oh wow, that's not good. What was that? Alright.
Alright.
It's gonna revive you because it's been
Shots
way
fired.
too long. Shots fired!
Alright, I gotta definitely get lower.
What's well where?
No, lower.
Oh, lower what? Oh, get lower. Yeah. The moving left. What do you think? Make a run for the village?
Bro, you're gonna get.
I mean, we have a large squad over at the village. I can't see shit. Like, there's way too much foliage.
Where they at, back at? One over here, two over here.
Where's Hammer? He's over on the left.
No, I saw you fucking.
Hey, sniper! Hey, sniper! Where are you? John! Come over here! I find you nice spot!
We have friends for you.
I can't see him in there. They are really hidden. Alright, radio. What is this? What the fuck are they? Oh wait, shit!
Bro, how is he not hit?
You fucking called it after.
I need my gun! When the BB strike your surface, you call it.
I'm fucking watching him hit off.
Oh shit, you're right.
What's right?
Left!
I forgot my red rag, so this is gonna
When you're surrounded, shit hits the fan. What?
How's it going down here?
A lot of enemy everywhere.
Yeah.
Typical shenanigans. They're on the far side, but there's too much foliage. Guys, we have 3 enemies on the far back. You can clearly see them. Shit. Move. We're on. Where is he? Очень генный разум. A lot of enemies. Alex. Hello. Hi.
Seems like just got a pistol in my better to get me in here, and then if they get close, try and fuck them up. Nobody can beat me on the quick draw.
Sure.
When I draw my, I was drawing my AK.
Cool.
It took forever.
All right. Nope. Nope. Alex, not to alarm you, but we're trapped.
All right, Colonel Custer.
Hello. Housekeeping. Hi.
Who's keeping?
No, they see us.
Who's keeping what?
Can you check that hole? See if anyone's coming up on us? Because we can't climb out. If you can see. Oh shit. This ain't good, dude. Hang on. I'm gonna spot them. They are... Come on. Show a band. Fuck. There's way too many. Wait for them to get close. Then we'll fuck them up. Oh my god. They're straight ahead. Hang on. Am I on full auto? Because I'm about to fuck everything up. Everybody calling their hits! Woo! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There's a tree car right there. So you guys
Not to alarm you, but I have no ammo. Get your pistol, wait till they get really close, because this is actually our final stand.
Hit! Hit!
Ah, damn it!
Hit!
Hit!
Damn! Ah! My knee!
You got me right in the hand, bro.
Ah!
Say safety, I wasn't even looking up.
Um,
He can't be a milsim operator.
I slammed my knee into this friggin' stump.
Oh,
I'm a dumbass.
all of us are dead. Don't shoot. I already got shot in the hand once. It sucked.
Ah!
All right, come
Everyone
on.
in here is dead.
Come on, let's go.
Ah!